Hey y'all, it's me, your diva of online business development, Latanya Higgins. And I hope you all who are employed impaired, because I figure this is just a temporary situation. If you are employed impaired, be sure to tune into the show tonight at www.urbanliveradio.fm. Tonight, we're going to discuss how to find jobs online or how to start your own business online and how to get the money. Crowdsourcing. So we're going to discuss how you can go to your crowd, to your peers, and get money for your skill. I think that's fair. What do you? You got a skill, you done worked this long to build it up so that it becomes a skill and you're very good at it, then you should have a business doing it. That's my opinion. Look at what I do. I love my skill. I'm online all the time. Yeah, I think I might have to write a book. Well, that's a discussion for another show. But tonight, we're going to discuss how you can find jobs online or should you start a business online. Now, there are two things I want you guys to remember real quick. I want you to remember press releases. Do a press release, whether you are a business or a person looking for a job. Do a press release. You are your own best project. Next, try the meetups. Do a Google search for Meetup, okay? Now, on the Meetup platform, there is so much going on those platforms. You will love them, okay? Love them. So go to meetups, and they have meetups for all sorts of things. For plumbers, they got meetups for single people. They got meetups for technology people. They got meetups for automotive people. Anything you're into. And guess what? They feed you. But the most important thing about these meetups is recruiters go there too. A lot of the times, the recruiters are the ones who are furnishing these meetups because this is where they will get to interact with you on a personal basis. They get to see how you work with a crowd. Are you participatory? What kind of personality you are? Are you a team player? Meetups are great, and they don't cost a thing. They don't cost nothing. Just some time. And they're a lot of fun. They even got meetups for clubs. Meetup for gourmet food people. All y'all dating people out there trying to look for somebody, go to a meetup. What's wrong with y'all? Meetups are the best thing in the world. So me personally, that ain't my bag of, chips. Okay, that's not for me. I'm into my work. I love technology. So I do a lot of meetups for PHP, HTML5, online marketing, and that's how I got into Google, a meetup. So you guys got to do the same thing. Well, we'll talk more tonight. Don't forget www.urbanliveradio.fm at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard. 6 to 8 p.m. Pacific Standards. We also going to discuss all of you who want a business out there, where you can go get the money. Crowdsourcing. That's what we're going to talk about. Crowdsourcing. That's how you can get free money, y'all. Don't even have to pay it back. Well, I look forward to hearing from y'all tonight. Tweet me, twitter.com, Urban Live Radio, #ULiveShow. All right, talk to you later now. Got to go swimming. See my water out back. See my water. Y'all holding me up. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.